go slow. Wind it up all night. Baby, take your time. Let me know I want. When you turn me around, when the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going. Like bum bum bum. Throw it back then, rotate.
Hey girl, hey, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is super exciting. Today we are going to be reviewing some new hair from a company I have never worked with before. So I'm super excited to try it out, let you guys know my thoughts, and we're gonna figure all this out together. All right, before we get started, do one thing for me. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe because we are at 90K and our goal is to get to 100K before the end of 2025. I don't know, we got about a half a year to do it. I think we could get it done. The hair is from a company called Lockbraids. I love their logo. That is so fly and cute. Love it. So we do have a little package of goodies right here, all the things you're gonna need to create your style. If you guys hear some little voices in the background, those are my babies, so just pretend you don't hear it. So we do have 4 duckbill clips. I love these things. I have a collection of them on my desk because they are so helpful when it comes to styling. Of course, we do have our crochet braid hook, our crochet hook. We have a nice rat tail comb and of course a baby hair styling brush. I'm going to use all of these things to help me style this hair. So thank you so much, Lockbraids, for sending those over. Now let's take a look at the hair that we did receive. We have, so each pack looks like it has 2 bundles. So we have a total of 6 bundles. All right, so we have our hair on these little, I don't know what you would call these. These are like little hoops. I like this. This is wire and it's very sturdy. Normally when you get your hair, it's on like one of these little things right here, and as soon as you open it, it just falls all apart and you just have a mess of hair on your table. But I like this. This is not falling off. Okay, so we do have crochet hair. This is our human hair crochet. Same construction. We always have 2 pieces of human hair together with a cotton thread in the center. This is what you're going to use to loop your crochet. This curl pattern is gorgeous. I love this curl pattern. Of course, we're going to wet it and let it air dry or let it dry with a diffuser and see if these curls bounce back. But as it stands, I think this hair is absolutely beautiful and this curl pattern is gorgeous. So we are going to use this braid pattern that I've had in my head for about 2 weeks. It's not a fresh braid pattern, but I do think it's sturdy enough to go ahead and install this hair using this braid pattern. So the braid pattern is a middle part straight down my head. You're going to have 3 braids on either side of the middle part, and then you're going to have a braid coming down up and then just going straight to the back. Then you're going to have 2 braids going across the nape of your neck. So this braid pattern is going to be really convenient because you're going to have a lot of parting options across the front. You'll be able to part it down the middle. You'll be able to do multiple different side parts. And then a really deep side part on this side. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump right in. so this is the end result of the crochet install. I love these curls. These curls are so lightweight, fluffy, bouncy, and they have the perfect ringlets. The curls are just so pretty. I typically would wet them, put some leave-in conditioner on them and some mousse, and then use my diffusing blow dryer to blow dry the curls and set them. But I really love them like this, so I am going to be rocking these straight out the pack, literally. The only thing I think I'm gonna do is just put, this one is from Beach Waver and it's called their Luxe Leave-In. I love how this one smells, and I like that it's not too wet. It just freshens up your curls without leaving them frizzy, just a little bit of hydration. Other thing I'm gonna do is grab my GLEEMADE hair polish. I'm going to spray some of this hair polish just to give it some nice shine. And I'm not gonna overdo it with that either. And that's about it. That's all I'm gonna do here. And just fluff it out a little bit. The way I installed the hair, you do have a lot of parting options. You can part it to, this looks so cute. I really love how this looks. You can part it to the left. You can part it to the left on a deep left part, or you can just do a slight one like this one, which I kind of like too. I think this is cute too, if you don't want such a severe side part. Or of course you can do the middle. I love the versatility. You can do half up, half down, all up. Part it to the right with a deep right side part. And I didn't even cut this, but because the way the hair is naturally layered, it still looks really good, even without a haircut. And this is human hair, so I really don't want to do a lot of cutting anyway, because you want to be able to install this hair again and not have too many issues with your install. I love this install. I love the versatility on this hair, and the hair just feels so good. I keep touching it. I can't stop touching it because it just feels that good. So overall, I love this hair. Thank you so much, Lockbraid, for sending this hair over. This curl pattern is something new. I have not seen this in this new craze of human hair, crochet hair. This is something very new and unique, and I absolutely love this hair. I did use almost all of the full 3 packs, but this is very, very full. So you don't have to install it this full. Originally, I just installed 2.5, and I had this whole bundle still left over. But then I was like, why leave the bundle left over? I just started adding more hair in, and I still have some left. So you really only need 2.5 bundles for a full, beautiful look. And the good thing about this brand is you can order a half. So in each one of these packs, 2 come in here, you can order a half. So you just get 1. But yeah, so I really, really love this hair. Like I said, I I don't have a bad word to say about this hair. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna take some pictures after this and I will insert some photos of the different styles that you can achieve with this hair. But yeah, I am very pleased. Extremely pleased, and I love this hair, and I have a feeling I will be installing and reinstalling this hair on multiple different occasions. Now, how to get the hair out? The way I do it is I take my braids out, and as I'm taking my braids out, I'm slipping the hair out of my hair while I'm undoing the braids. So that's what I found to be the easiest way to uninstall this human hair, because I don't cut it. I don't want to cut it. I want to be able to reuse this hair. If you guys would like to see a demonstration of that, please let me know and I'd be happy to do that. All right, you guys, I will see you all in the next video. Make sure you share this video. Make sure you subscribe. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We are at 90,000 subscribers and we're trying to get to 100K before the end of 2025. All right, you guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.